Finance can feel complicated when you are just starting. InfinityTrustSolutions.com is built to make that first step clearer. InfinityTrustSolutions.com is a finance and stock market education platform created for beginners who want simple explanations, organized tools, and a better understanding of market-related topics. In this video, we are looking at the platform's strengths, user reviews, and why the brand is becoming part of online searches around financial education. The first strength of InfinityTrustSolutions.com is clarity. The platform focuses on explaining financial topics in a way that beginners can actually follow. Users can explore market basics, stock education, financial terms, account tools, risk awareness, and platform features without being overloaded by complex language. That makes InfinityTrustSolutions.com useful for people who want to build knowledge before going deeper into finance. Another strength is structure. InfinityTrustSolutions.com brings learning materials, account sections, support access, platform tools, and service information into one cleaner experience. For new users, this matters because organized learning saves time and makes the platform easier to understand. Many InfinityTrustSolutions.com reviews point to the brand's clean layout, beginner-focused approach, and practical learning style. User reviews around InfinityTrustSolutions.com often focus on education, platform clarity, account guidance, support, and risk awareness. The brand also presents itself with attention to regulatory clarity, service details, verification steps, and account information. For a finance education platform, this type of transparency supports a more serious and professional image. InfinityTrustSolutions.com is designed for beginners who want finance and stock market education explained in a clearer, more structured way. The platform combines learning, tools, support, account guidance, and risk awareness in one place. If you are searching for InfinityTrustSolutions.com reviews, the main points to notice are simple education, clean structure, user support, and a strong focus on financial understanding. InfinityTrustSolutions.com helps make finance easier to approach, one lesson at a time.